Alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Friends, today's story title is The Brave Son. In ancient days, bandits would wait on the side of the road to rob and kidnap people. Bandits are like thieves, okay? Then they would sell them in the slave markets. One day, a poor old man was captured by the bandits. The leader of the bandits told the old man, "If you don't want us to sell you in the slave market, you must bring us 100 pieces of gold. Only then we will let you go." The old man wrote a letter to his family saying, "I know that you don't have enough money to buy my freedom. I am only writing this letter to let you know what happened to me." The old man had a kind-hearted and brave son. When he got his father's letter, he went to the bandits and said, "Oh, my lords, I know that you will not release my father without a ransom." A ransom is giving something to somebody to get what they're keeping. So the son said, "I'm not asking you to do this, but you can see that he is a poor, weak old man. If you sell him, you will not get a high price. Take me and sell me instead. You will get much more money this way." The bandits liked this offer, but they said that they needed to ask their leader first. Their leader couldn't believe what he heard. He looked at the brave son in admiration and said, "So they are still such brave sons living on the earth. How wonderful! I would sacrifice myself to have such a brave person. Come, I give you your father's life for your sake. You and your father are both free to go." The old man and his brave son returned home, ecstatic at the outcome of their mishap. This story reminds us of the following hadith of the Prophet ﷺ. A child can never repay the rights he owes his father. Only if he finds his father as a slave and ransoms his freedom has he repaid his father's right in full. Jazakallah for watching. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.